The market breaks below 4,400 and shoots down 100 points. Is the pain finally over, or is there more downside to come? Find out next on Invest with Jacob. Okay guys, so last week before I left on vacation, we were looking for the bulls to make an upside move towards 4,600. Now that obviously didn't play out, but we did get enough of a bounce to make some money on our trade and exit profitably. I also warned that 4,400 was the key downside level to watch, and if we broke it, it would be a swift elevator ride down towards 4,200. And we saw that play out today as we broke 4,400 and immediately shot down 100 points towards 4,290. Now, the question is, are we done with the downside, or is there more pain to come? I'll get into that in just 1 second. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, so as I mentioned, the market broke through 4,400 and then shot down over 100 points into the 4290s before moving up at the end of the day. Now the question is this a bounce or a rally? There's some key parameters involved that are best seen on the chart, so let's jump in and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are. This is the 5-minute futures chart, and you can see that the collapse that happened today, just basically the straight move down in 3 of C. And then towards the end of the day, we got a bounce and a rally, and now we're kind of at a key point to decide where exactly we are in this correction. So we're clearly in wave 4 down, but the question is, are we in C of 4, where we're going to end this sooner than later, or are we going to get a bigger B wave bounce and then get the final move down in C that way? So the key parameters we're looking at here, guys, are the fib levels, right? So we got the bottom here of wave 3, or what we're counting as wave 3 right now, and we are at the 382 retrace, which is a pretty common level for a wave 4 bounce. So we're at a kind of a key time here. If it turns down between here and the 50% fib, we're in pretty good shape for it to be wave 5 down, but I really don't want to see it go much higher than the 50% fib because 4s just don't retrace that deep. The 382 is actually perfect, and that's where we're at right now, and it's hitting resistance. It came up, bounced off of it, came up, and is trying to bounce off of it again. So as long as this fib holds, I would expect the market to move back down, make a lower low to complete 5 of C in the 4260 to 4270 region on the futures chart. Okay. Now, if this fib doesn't hold, we're looking at 2 options moving up. Okay, the first option is a larger B wave bounce that would target the 4485 to 4490 ES region. So that's on the futures chart. And then we would look for that C wave down into this same region here, this 4270 region, to complete wave 4. Remember, we just completed wave 3 of 3 up at 4550. Now we are trying to complete wave 4 of 3, okay, down here towards 4270. And then we will start the move up in wave 5 of 3. Now, if it is a 5-wave structure moving up and it blows through that 4485 zone towards 4500, okay, at that point, we are looking like we started wave 5 already, and this was the bottom. I don't love this being the bottom. It's not a real good bottoming point. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense for it to be the bottom, but this market has been very stingy with pullbacks, so I just want to give you the heads up that if this is the bottom, that's what it'll look like. You'll have a 5-wave structure moving up through 4485, closer to 4500, and at that point we should start shifting our probabilities that we have started wave 1 into place. So again, we just completed wave 3 of 3 at 4550. We're trying to complete wave 4 of 3 down here towards 4270, okay? And then we are going to start the move up in wave 5 of 3 to complete wave 5 and wave 3 at the same time, at which point we will look for a much larger correction. Okay, guys, so that is what we are watching for today. Guys, if you like the information that I put out in this video and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to get in my Facebook group. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link. It will take you over to Facebook, and you have to get approved to get in my group. And the only thing you got to do, guys, the only thing you have to do to get approved is you got to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So hit that subscribe button, click that link, get over to Facebook. I'll approve you and get you in. Once you're in the group here, guys, you click this announcements tab. Okay, scroll down, you'll see our documented trade section so you can see what we've been trading recently. You will also see a link to my Slack channel. All right, Slack is just a free chat channel. Once you're in there, you'll get real-time market updates from me, including all of our buy alerts, our sell alerts, exactly what we're buying, what our expiration dates are, when we're selling it, all of that good stuff. Extremely talented traders in there, guys. It's a great group of people. We'd love to have you over there so we can make some money together. All right, guys, key takeaways for today. We're watching this fib in the overnights, this 38.2 fib. If it holds, we're looking for wave 5 down. If it doesn't hold this 43.65 level, then we're looking for a move up towards 44.85, where that would be the B wave bounce and then a C wave down. And if it blows through 44.85, we are looking to start wave 1 of 5 towards 4,900. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.